That is sketchy.
We are in the middle of absolutely nowhere.
It's not the windows won't roll up, it's that you can roll them up. You just can't get the key back out.
Man, people are looking at us like, you enjoying your sheets, food?
No.
Like the Jeep was a good buy, but this thing is a steal on this car. Good morning. Well, that's good. Are you ready to go buy some cars?
Yeah.
What is up, guys? Thank you guys so much for tuning back to the channel. As always, I'm super sweaty right now. It's about noon. I just wrapped up my workout, but we have an epic road trip ahead of us in the old Dodge to go pick up a new car. So I'm very excited. It should be an interesting trip. Charlie is on his way over here right now. I'm gonna go ahead. Well, I gotta change because I'm super nasty right now. We have to hook the trailer up, make sure everything's ready to go, and yeah, get on the road, get some lunch. But let's go ahead and load the trailer up on the truck, and I'll talk to you guys in 1 second. Now, I'm not sure who decided it was a good idea to put this skid loader in front of my trailer, but let's move that thing out of the way real quick. And yes, I know, the bucket was scraping, okay? The hydraulics are busted. All right, let's get the truck and move that thing right here. Nice! What do you say? Alright guys, we are officially on the road. We gotta stop and get some gas, get Charlie a drink, and we have a nice 3-hour road trip and some change ahead of us. This will be fun, probably very eventful, and hopefully we're gonna have a car. So let's get on the road and I'll talk to you guys at the gas station. We're gonna run inside real quick, alright? Grab some snacky foods and then get back on the road. What a loser. Alright guys, we are gassed up. We have our little snacks, some drinks, a little bit of caffeine, and we're about to get on the road. What?
I just realized something.
What'd you realize?
You're supposed to have a license plate, aren't you?
Bro, just stop. You mean that one right there? You ready to get on the road? Uh-huh. Let's do it. What do you say?
I'm tired.
Dude, we're like halfway there.
Dude, we're not even that.
Alright guys, well we got an hour 57 left on the epic road trip to go buy junk.
Do we actually? I thought it said 2:12.
56.
Oh, you bumped up.
We've been speeding. Anyway, we're gonna keep on going. Look at that, that's what we need right there.
Yeah,
if anybody wants to give us a subscribe so we can buy comments one day, I'd greatly appreciate it. Otherwise, we're gonna keep on trucking the old work truck. So, talk to you guys in a bit.
So, what is going on right now?
Oh, dude, this lady just gave me a freaking heart attack. So my ringer apparently is off. We're gonna have to turn that back on. She asked like 17 times if I was still coming when I distinctly told her I am on the way on our apparently 4-hour road trip to get there. But she still has a car, thank goodness, and we're gonna go get it. But we just had, I about freaked out for a second because I really thought she sold the car. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised because like that's happened before, but I would be very, very mad.
In other news,
we're almost halfway there.
We're not on the interstate, we're on a back road.
Yeah, it took us on the weirdest route of all time. And the traffic's been terrible, and we just have, it's just been interesting. It's been very interesting so far. We're probably gonna get there around 5 o'clock, and we still have to eat. We have to load the car up, we have to eat, we have to drive home and get gas.
And take some pee breaks.
And take some pee. It's gonna be an interesting night. The original plan was to get home before dark.
Now the new plan is to get there before dark.
Alright guys, we'll talk to you guys in a second when we have something eventful happen again. Okay. That's insane. Freaking views over here. That's just miles of just flat. We're still like an hour and a half away, and it's literally taking us through the middle of absolute nowhere. Like, this is literally like a one-lane road.
Yeah.
Like, absolutely, you are not pulling full through for me right now.
Let's keep on driving whatever this is.
I mean, at least it's pretty over here, but whoa.
This is a ghost town.
This is...
What in the world?
Bro, everything's like closed. Look at that. Dude, this place at one point was popping. There's the fire station. Dude, this is weird. CB and radio equipment. Ghost Town Printing. Pretty accurate. Alright guys, we are still officially in the middle of nowhere, which this whole trip has just been a very interesting adventure through absolutely the ruralest, weirdest towns I think we've ever seen. Would you agree?
Yeah.
I mean, she said it runs and drives fine. I'm pretty sure they're driving it to meet us somewhere. But it is what it is. It is what it is. But I'll talk to you guys in a second once we get closer, and hopefully we don't have any more hiccups on the way there. Miata gang. If anybody knows where I can find a cheap Miata, please hit me up, because I'm on the hunt. Alright guys, so we are about to pull in. We're meeting at a Dollar General, and still we are in the middle of absolutely nowhere. So I'm just going to keep the camera away so nothing crazy happens, but hopefully next time I talk to you guys, we're going to have a Mustang on the trailer and going to get some food, because we are starving. I have to take a massive piss, and yeah, so we're here. We just pulled in.
Oh, there it is.
There it is. There it is. All right, guys.
All right.
Talk to you guys in a second. Ooh. Like
That is sketchy.
That's very hey dude, it's fine. This trailer's perfect, guys. Alright guys, so we have successfully loaded. We gotta strap this thing down, but I have purchased a 2006 Ford Mustang GT with a slight bit of damage, but nothing crazy. What do you think, Chuck?
I think this is a home run.
I think like the Jeep was a good buy, but this thing is a steal on this car. I'll give you guys a rundown later, but basically 140,000 miles, GT, automatic, Flowmaster exhaust, dual touchscreen radio, a lot of custom work done on this thing.
It has 275 back
Dude,
tires.
I knew these things were freaking fat. We got brand new 275s in the back with some freaking stance poking out on this thing. Well, let's go. We're gonna go ahead and get the thing strapped down and get ready to get back on the road. We have 4 hours to get home, so let's get to it. I'll give you guys some more details on the Mustang in a bit. getting famous.
I was like, hey man, it's about to rain.
All right, let me see what I can do, okay?
No, it's not the windows won't roll up, it's that you can roll them up. You just can't get the key back out. Yeah, unless I go through the trunk. So we got two options.
Didn't even think about it.
I'm gonna have to go through the trunk. I'm gonna pull the seat down, I'm gonna roll the windows up.
Here's the keys. All right, so we have this crappy trailer. It's not crappy, this trailer is amazing. And for what I bought it for, it's amazing, right Chuck?
Dude, I could weld you a better trailer.
So we can't open the doors since this car's so low.
Car if you don't get in it through the window.
So Mr. Chuck here has to roll down the windows, take the key out, and then climb out of the trunk.
Bro, how are you supposed to get in the back seat?
I don't even know how the back seats go down.
I'll buy it off you, I'm not kidding.
You wanna buy this thing off me, Chuck?
No, the sub. Hey look, automatic.
Oh, wow. You're doing great, Chuck.
You know what, I've decided, how about you drive home and I'll stay back here?
Hey, I mean, that's fine with me. Let me strap it down. Man, people are looking at us like crazy. Hey, dude, you're doing good.
Hey, can you ask him if I give him?
Ah, boy.
And that's how we do it.
You got the key?
The only thing we gotta do,
Yeah.
where that hood pin is bent, we need to put a strap over this, cause like, I mean, it'll ride, but like, I ain't trying to risk it.
That's true, that's true. All right, we're gonna get this thing strapped down. Talk to you guys in 1 second. Look at us.
That ain't going anywhere.
All right, guys, we're gonna get back on the road, try and find some food. Talk to you guys in 1 bit. All right, what's up?
What's the verdict on this dime piece on your trailer?
Don't worry about it.
Dude.
It's a-
I have found an interesting car. We'll just put it that way.
Well, what's up with it?
It's beautiful.
What's up with it? What's wrong with it?
Dude, you just have to wait for the video to come out.
Hey, click the link up above and you'll go check it out.
It needs a bumper and a hood. So I mean, I guess it is a little bit worse. It's not that bad though. It's gonna be so bad. It's gonna scream so bad. All right, let's go. Let's go, boys. Everybody hold your ears. That little girl's looking at us. You enjoying your sheets food?
No.
Alright guys, we made our first stop to get some gas. This thing was very thirsty. But the Mustang is here, everything is good, the straps are good, trailer's doing good for the time being. She's got some issues, but it is what it is. As soon as this fills up, I want to eat my food because there's just no food around here and we can't stop in the drive-thru with the big trailer on the back, so we have to stop at Sheets. So we're gonna finish getting gas and I'll talk to you guys when we get back on the road. We have officially made it home. It is 11 o'clock at night. It has been a 10-hour road trip of me driving nonstop. Chuck has to go home, so he went ahead and left. Bye, Chuck. Bye, buddy. Anyway, he had to get home, so we're gonna get the car off the trailer, get this thing, everything, put the trailer up, all the good stuff. It's definitely the longest road trip we've made to go buy a car, and it actually worked out. So I'm very happy about that. The car, I couldn't be happier with it. She looks amazing, but let's go ahead and get this thing backed off the trailer. So let's go ahead and do that real quick, and I'm gonna have to hop in through the trunk. So this should be interesting. Alright guys, all I have left to do is put the car up back in the building, put the trailer up, put the truck up. Nothing very exciting. So I thank you guys so much for watching the video. Love you guys. Please like and subscribe, all that good stuff, and stay tuned for what we have planned with this car. I might keep it, I might not. I have not decided what the plan is for this thing, but I'm very excited either way to get started and get this thing back to its former glory. Get rid of these ugly stripes, plastic dip wheels, crappy interior. We have a lot of work ahead of us, but a great platform, so I'm very excited. Anyway, thank you guys so much. Love you guys. Stay tuned for what's coming up. Deuces.